welcome to our channel. If you enjoy psychological horror films, prepare for a chilling tale in Hold Your Breath. Set in the Dust Bowl era, the movie immerses you in a stormy world reminiscent of today's climate crisis. In this haunting narrative, Sarah Paulson shines as Margaret, a resilient character grappling with personal struggles amidst nature's fury as the dust storms wreak havoc. Her family's resilience is tested, adding depth to the harrowing storyline. The film crafts a gripping atmosphere, blending elements of suspense and emotion. As tensions rise, viewers are taken on a journey through Margaret's resilience and the challenges she faces amidst the chaos. Paulson's portrayal captivates, uh, injecting raw emotion into the narrative. Alongside a stellar cast, she delivers a powerhouse performance that keeps viewers on the edge of their seats. Uh, and while the movie veers into intense territory, occasionally overshadowing its core themes, the stellar acting and captivating storytelling make it a compelling watch. Um, the cast chemistry and talent elevate the viewing experience and keep audiences engaged throughout. So mark your calendars for October 3 when Hold Your Breath premieres on Hulu, to get ready for a riveting cinematic experience that will leave you breathless. And thanks for watching. And until next time,